How to change Facebook password. First, open your Facebook app on your device. See top right corner 3 dot line. Tap on. After then scroll down. See and find this option setting and privacy. Tap on this. After then tap on this option setting. When you tap setting, you also see and find this option password and security. Tap on this. Scroll down and find this option password and security. Tap on here. When you tap, you will see this option password, change password. Tap on here, and after then you select your Facebook user ID. Then tap on enter your current password. After then you will use new password must be 6 character, number, letters and special character.